Step into recreation with the Play and Shade pool. This durable toddler pool is sure to make playtime waves. A pair of molded-in seats are perfect for a party. The included umbrella ensures they have it made in the shade. And additional accessories easily attach for motor skill developing splash-about fun. It's made strong to outlast tons of water play silliness. Stores easily and is always ready for another day in the sun. The Play and Shade Pool by Step 2. Step into childhood.
Here comes an action-packed summer. Splashin' Kids pool and sprinkler combo will keep you cool and keep you busy. Just inflate with an electric pump, fill it up, attach a hose for the sprinkler, and splash! This adorable pool comes in a smaller size for younger babies and a larger size for ages 2 to 7. Specifically designed to ensure your child's safety, the baby-size pool enables mom or dad to reach baby from all sides. The full-size pool is perfect for the entire family. With the combination of pool and double sprinklers, there's something to do for every age. It's a 3-in-1. While some children splash in the pool, some play with the sprinklers around the edge, and others can enjoy the sprinklers out of the pool, all at the same time. Gift this to your loved one for a fun-filled summer. Get splashin' and get laughing with Splashin' Kids Pool and Sprinkler Combo.